Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into a world where luxury isn't just defined by elegance, but completely reimagined by innovation, artistry, and an uncompromising commitment. Perfection. This is more than just a home tour. This is an exploration of what the new gold standard in luxury living truly looks like. From the moment we arrive, it's clear that this residence isn't simply built, it's sculpted, crafted, orchestrated. Every detail whispers sophistication, every surface reflects excellence, and every room is designed to make you feel like you're living inside a masterpiece. As we walk up the beautifully landscaped entryway, the first thing that stands out is the architectural design, bold, clean, modern, yet warm and welcoming. Towering glass panels stretch from the ground to the rooftop, allowing natural sunlight to spill into every corner of the home. The exterior blends stone, metal, and timeless textures, creating a statement that is both futuristic and breathtakingly elegant. Even from the outside, you get a sense that this home doesn't just belong in the world of luxury, it defines it. Stepping through the massive pivot door, the entire space opens up in a dramatic reveal. A grand foyer with soaring ceilings, sculptural lighting, and polished stone floors sets the tone immediately. The moment you enter, you're met with views that stretch effortlessly to the horizon, thanks to the seamless glass walls that dissolve the boundary between indoors and outdoors. The open, concept design enhances connectivity and flow, allowing each space to complement the next with perfect harmony. On the right, the formal living area feels like a sanctuary of comfort and style. Plush furnishings, expertly layered textures, and a minimalist fireplace create an atmosphere that is both cozy and ultra-modern. The design intentionally draws your eyes outward to the panoramic vistas, to the immaculate outdoor lounge, to the shimmering pool just beyond the terrace. This home isn't only meant to be lived in, it's meant to be experienced from every angle. The dining area continues this theme of elevated beauty. A long custom-made dining table sits beneath a floating chandelier that looks like a piece of fine art suspended in midair. The atmosphere feels intimate yet grand, making it the perfect space for high-end entertaining or quiet evenings at home. Here, luxury is expressed not through excess, but through thoughtful design and impeccable execution. Moving into the kitchen, we discover a space that would impress even the most accomplished chef. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Sleek cabinetry with integrated doors, flawless counters carved from rare stone, professional grade appliances concealed behind custom panels, and a colossal island that serves as a centerpiece. Everything is organized, elegant, and intentionally designed. The kitchen blends aesthetic beauty with incredible functionality, transforming everyday living into a refined experience. Just beside it, the family lounge area creates a relaxed yet stylish environment for casual gatherings. Oversized seating, soft lighting, and sophisticated decor make it perfect for late-night movies, coffee conversations, or simply unwinding after a long day. It's warm, it's inviting, and it maintains the same refined energy that flows throughout the entire home. As we move deeper inside, the design takes an even more luxurious turn. Sleek hallways, framed with ambient lighting, guide us toward one of the most impressive rooms in the entire residence, the private office. This space feels powerful. Floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, a statement desk positioned perfectly to face the views, and a calming, focused atmosphere that inspires success. Whether working from home or simply seeking a quiet retreat, this office is designed for clarity, creativity, and accomplishment. Now it's time to step into the primary bedroom suite. And this is where the new gold standard in luxury truly reveals itself. This isn't just a bedroom, it's an experience. Expansive, serene, and beautifully balanced, the room features soft tones, lush fabrics, and direct access to a private terrace overlooking the estate. The bed sits beneath a custom lighting installation, creating a warm glow that feels almost ethereal. A private lounge area, a modern fireplace, and automated window treatments add layers of sophistication. But the real masterpiece here is the ensuite bathroom, a spa-level escape that feels more luxurious than most five-star resorts. A freestanding soaking tub sits beside a floor-to-ceiling glass wall, offering breathtaking views while maintaining absolute privacy. The double vanities are carved from rare stone. The rainfall shower room is wrapped in elegant marble slabs. And the lighting is perfectly curated to create a soothing, rejuvenating atmosphere. This is the kind of bathroom that makes every morning feel like a wellness retreat. The walk-in closet is equally spectacular. It's essentially a boutique, a fashion lover's dream. Glass, front displays, custom shelving, ambient lighting, velvet-lined drawers, and a central island create the feeling of stepping into a private designer showroom. Every accessory, every item, every piece of clothing has its own place. The attention to detail is remarkable. As we head to the entertainment level, things get even more extraordinary. The home features a private cinema with plush reclining seats, soundproof walls, and a massive screen that brings films to life in high-definition detail. Right next to it, a full bar and lounge area provide the perfect atmosphere for hosting unforgettable movie nights, parties, or celebrations. The game room adds another layer of excitement. Whether it's billiards, gaming, or simply relaxing with friends, this space is designed for fun. Every corner is crafted to encourage connection, entertainment, and enjoyment. And of course, no modern luxury home would be complete without a fully equipped fitness center. This private gym has state-of-the-art machines, open workout space, gorgeous lighting, and direct outdoor access for fresh air training sessions. Fitness becomes a lifestyle when your home supports your well-being at this level. Now let's step outside, because the exterior is a world of its own. The backyard is expansive, peaceful, and absolutely stunning. The infinity-edge pool flows visually into the horizon, creating a serene and cinematic effect. Beside the pool, a sunken fire lounge offers a cozy space for evening gatherings. Elegant outdoor seating, a full resort-style cabana, a gourmet outdoor kitchen, and breathtaking landscape design complete the outdoor experience. Everything here is engineered for beauty, privacy, and absolute enjoyment. Whether hosting a grand celebration or spending a quiet morning by the pool, this outdoor space elevates every moment into something truly unforgettable. As the sun sets, the entire property transforms. LED lighting throughout the landscape, soft glows from architectural accents, and reflections from the water create a dramatic atmosphere. The home becomes a glowing sculpture, a piece of living art that captivates from every angle. This residence proves that luxury isn't just about what you have, it's about how it makes you feel. Calm, inspired, elevated. It's a place where architecture meets emotion, where design meets purpose, and where every moment feels like an upgrade. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary tour. If you enjoyed exploring this new gold standard in luxury living, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible home tours coming your way.